The 10 most critically endangered species on a global scale.
Whether we like it or not, we are preoccupied with our electronic devices, such as iPods, mobile phones, etc., and we fail to recognize that certain species threaten their existence.
Let's examine each of the 10 most endangered species.
1.
Amur leopard. Native to the forests of eastern Russia and portions of China,
the Amur leopard is a magnificent large cat. It is one of the most uncommon leopard subspecies worldwide, renowned for its exquisite coat set with rosette-shaped markings.
2. Rhinos.
Rhinos are sizable herbivorous mammals that are specifically recognized for their unique horns. One of their many species is the black and white rhinoceros. Unfortunately, trafficking for their horns, which are erroneously believed to have medicinal properties, has ended all rhino species.
3. Orangutans.
Orangutans are sizable arboreal primates that inhabit the Borneo and Sumatran rainforests.
In addition to their exceptional intelligence, they are distinguished by their reddish-brown fur.
Habitat loss from illegal harvesting and deforestation induced by palm oil plantations endangers orangutans.
4. Gorillas.
A powerful ape known for their strength, intelligence, and gentle nature.
2 distinct species of these creatures reside in the forests of Central Africa: eastern and western gorillas.
Destruction of gorilla habitats, diseases, exploitation of bushmeat, and the illicit wildlife trade all pose threats to gorillas.
5. Seola.
The Seola, alternatively referred to as the Asian unicorn, is an enigmatic and imperiled mammal inhabiting the Annamite Range in Vietnam and Laos. Its tall, straight horns and distinctive markings are well known. The Seola is imperiled by hunting and habitat degradation. 6.
Vaquita.
Found in the Gulf of California, the vaquita is a diminutive porpoise. The remaining few dozen individuals make it the most endangered marine mammal in the planet. Illegitimate gill nets utilized in the pursuit of totoaba fish, the swim bladders of which hold significant value in traditional Chinese medicine, pose a peril to the vaquita. 7.
Sunda tiger.
Exclusive to the Indonesian island of Sumatra, the Sunda tiger, also known as the Sumatran tiger, is a critically endangered tiger subspecies. Its darker pelt and smaller stature distinguish it from other subspecies of tiger. Destruction of their habitats and exploitation of their body parts pose threats to Sunda tigers. 8.
Yangtze finless porpoise.
Found in China along the Yangtze River and its tributaries, the finless porpoise inhabits freshwater environments. Its rounded cranium and absence of a dorsal fin is distinguishing features. Due to the degradation of its habitat, pollution, and overfishing, the porpoise is in critical peril. 9.
African forest elephants.
African forest elephants, which inhabit the dense rainforests of Central and Western Africa, are smaller than their savanna counterparts. Their function in pollen dispersal and forest regeneration is critical. Threats to forest elephants include habitat degradation, ivory trafficking, and human-animal conflict. 10.
Turtle.
Shelled reptiles and turtles inhabit freshwater, inland, and marine environments across the globe. The exploitation of turtle shells, meat, and eggs, as well as habitat devastation, pollution, and climate change, have jeopardized numerous species of turtles. The survival of these species is gravely threatened. Therefore, immediate action is required to preserve and protect them for future generations. Due to severe threats, including habitat loss, exploitation, and human conflict, these animals are in critical endangerment.
The 10 leading causes of animal extinction are:
1. The primary cause of endangerment is human activities' devastation of natural habitats.
2. Overhunting or overharvesting. Numerous sizable,
sluggish, and delectable fauna have perished due to human migration into regions that were previously devoid of inhabitants. 3. Habitat loss. The primary habitats of numerous species have been destroyed due to human migration, deforestation, agricultural expansion, water extraction, and mining. 4. Extremely specialized species. Species that possess habitat requirements that are not adaptable prosper poorly in an environment that is undergoing change. 5. Invasive species. In the absence of natural predators to regulate its growth, a newly introduced species may establish itself as dominant, putting native species in jeopardy. 6.
Pollution. Air and ocean pollution caused by factories can result in the extinction of numerous species.
7.
Climate change. Climate change exacerbates habitat loss and degradation, overexploitation, the introduction of invasive species, and nitrogen pollution.
8. Wildlife trafficking. As the population size of a species decreases, its value increases in the eyes of poachers and hunters, ultimately resulting in its extinction. 9. Pathogens and insects can hitchhike to new areas due to increased travel and commerce, which facilitates the emergence of new diseases that threaten wildlife species. 10. Deleting genetic diversity within a given species can result in its imminent peril and ultimate eradication. These causes, frequently exacerbated by human intervention, are the principal contributors to the catastrophic decline of species on a global scale and are the root causes of endangered animal status. You might ask why they should be concerned about them since I have more important things to do. In our next video, we'll try to find out why we should be alarmed about the increasing decline of these endangered animals.
Please follow and subscribe.